What's going on, guys? This your boy DJ Cruze and welcome back to the channel. Alright, now has this ever happened to you, or has happened to somebody you know that sounds something like this? Well, I'm here to tell you guys why does it happen. Alright, but before I get started, first you gotta give me that subscribe, and once you give me that subscribe, you gotta give me a thumbs up to let your boy know he's doing something right. Okay, now let's roll the intro. Okay, guys, so the program I'm using for demonstration purposes, I'm using Serato DJ Pro Guatemala by Sway Lee featuring Slim Jimmy. Now, I'm going to play this at its original BPM. I'm going to play it slow, and I'm going to play it fast. And I want you guys to tell me if you notice the difference, all right?
It was way more than a $2 holler.
That is the original BPM. Let me slow it down.
Stole your heart like Alibaba.
I'm going to speed it up.
Seen the way you're talking on my phone last night, oh God.
Now, can you tell why does it sound a little bit different? It's actually an easy, quick fix. Now, as you progress with your DJ career, you're going to notice this is going to take a huge impact. And all you have to do is have this turned on. Once you turn this on, you're enabling to have the same pitch, even though you can speed it up or you can slow it down and have it on original BPM, all right? So I'm going to play the same song with the button on, and you're going to see that the pitch is not going to change, even though the song is going to be sped up and it's going to be slowed down. Ready?
It was way more than a $2 holler.
I'm going to slow it down.
Stole your heart like Alibaba.
I'm going to speed it up.
Seen the way you're talking on my phone last night, oh God.
You heard? Sway Lee still has the same voice. The pitch has not changed at all, and you can play with the BPM. So that's a quick tip I could give you guys. Now you got to do is give me that subscribe. Give me that thumbs up to let your boy know he's doing something hot. And with that, anything you want me to touch on, just leave a comment below and we'll take care of that. All right? Peace.